Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick fertilizer from banana peels. Now, banana peels are very good for gardens because they contain a high percentage of potassium, and if you check your fertilizer labels you will see that potassium is very essential. So it's very good to use banana peels, and you can find them in your kitchen. Okay, so how you do it is you take a banana peel. You can either use a fresh banana peel, or you can keep the banana peel for a couple of days and let them turn a little black, and just clipping them into tiny pieces like shown here, you can get your banana peel fertilizer done. So can you see, it's just clip it up into tiny pieces. It helps the plants to disintegrate it further. So there are two options that you can do when it comes to making banana peel fertilizers. One is you can use the plain banana peel, okay, and the other one is by making a liquid banana peel. So how do you make the liquid banana peel? You just take the cut up banana peels and you add water and let it rest for a couple of days. So this is good because as soon as you put the water into your soil, the roots will grab up all of that sweet nutrition. Two simple options for fertilizers made from banana peels from your kitchen. So for the dry banana peels, the cuttings, you can just gently sprinkle them around the roots of your plants. So you can also dig in the soil and put it in over the top layer, but just putting it over the plants around the root section also helps.